Okay, so today we're gonna be doing copper gutters, right? We got this whole big spool of copper right here, and we're gonna be putting it on. Let's see if I can show you here. So you can see that big spool of copper right there. And we got these downspouts copper. And copper is a little spendy. And we got these end caps right there. So we're gonna make it do what it do and go from there. All right. Okay, so today I'm going to be putting copper gutters on this right here. But as you can see, the roofing's a little bit long. So what we're going to do is use a nibbler, this right here, to cut that back. All right. Yep, going for the rustic look on this. So it ain't as easy as it looks, is it? Oh, okay. Here we go. Yeah, this thing is pretty cool, actually. Oh yeah. I just got double roofing right here, so just got have to get the hang of it. All right. I'm gonna switch ladders. Yeah, look how clean that is. All right. Okay, so it's not gonna be super straight because of it's a little jagged already, but I'm gonna cut some of this right here. So that we got a good piece. You gotta make sure you good working. Have some gloves on, because that stuff will cut you. All right, so we're gonna get back at it.
Yeah, it's a little heavy.
Make sure that we're good, and that looks good. Looks like it's level. We're actually flowing to the right, so we're good to go. All right. These little scissors right here, bro, sharp. I hate that I have to waste my time on this, but it's got to be done right. So now I'm gonna punch this hole. Let me see. Either one, it don't matter. Thanks, buddy. So, put this right here. And I could go right there in the middle. So it goes right down that pole right there. So I'm gonna do that, I think. So it looks kind of clean. There, so I can manipulate it a little bit. should be good. Everything's looking total outstanding. So we'll try that right there. Right. So now we're gonna put these copper downspouts on this. My plan is to go cut this top off just a little bit. Just a little bit. That little bump right there. Gotta use Mr. Wonderfuls. That's it. Oh yeah. Golden now. So that's gonna go on top. This is gonna go in here. Crimp it. It's already crimped pretty good, but just redoing it. Alright, so this should be perfect now. Yep. So we're going up like that and then go into here.
What's her name?
Thick copper, bro.
Hi, Tubby.
What's up, buddy?
Hi, buddy.
All right, so we're good golden now. Yep, that's perfect. That is perfect. Customer wanted downspouts. Show the downspout. The downspout with the clean look on it instead of the grooves on it. So that's what we're going with today. That works out. Like I said, this stuff is on real deal. here's the finished product. Looks awesome. Let's get the front. That's copper. All right. Thank God you have another day to do something positive.